dun sa post niya, Blue Ribbon Hearing. Hindi naman siya chairman, hindi naman siya member, hindi naman siya senador. Bakit niya linlin lang ang tao? Linoloko niya ang taong bayan. Hindi tama yan. Dahil pag linoloko niya, ginagamit niya ang titulo ng Senado, hindi tama yun dahil panluloko ang ginagawa. So tomorrow, meron kaming mga na-identify na bills. Identify na namin yung bills. Pero pinaka-importante yung 5 generals na i-confirm tomorrow. Tapos yung mga bills na na-identify namin, yung geriatric health bill, yung GASPE, yung vouchers, to expand natin from grade 1 to grade 6. And then meron kaming resolution to commend yung mga frontliners. And then may resolution din para sa dagdag tulong sa mga Mindanao earthquake. Yung dalawang citizenship na nabinbin for a long time. So babalik na naman yung dalawa. At may dalawang agriculture bill si Senator Pangilinan na itatapos natin. So those are the items.
What's the possibility makapag-elect ng SP?
Let's see. No, I don't want to comment on that.
But negotiations are ongoing, sir? Sa Majot Block?
Let's see. Ang importante naman para sa akin itong mga bills matapos tsaka yung CA ma-confirm yung mga generals.
How long will be the special session, sir? Hanggang gabi?
We'll start at 9 and then in-estimate namin matapos mga around 4 or 5
PM.
p.m.
Sir, nag-confirm
yung CA?
Nag-confirm ba yung Cayetano Black na mag-attend ng special
Well,
session?
nag-issue ako ng statement encouraging all senators regarding kung majority o minority ka to attend. These are very important matters, lalo na yung sa CA. In fact, yung sa CA, lumagpas na nga sa doon sa time na dapat ibigay natin sa mga generals. But importante kasi ito, no? Hindi sila mapropromote at makaka-apekto to sa kanilang mga gagawin later on.
But so far, sir, may nag-confirm kung Cayetano Black.
I'm calling on all of them. Wala pa ako nakakausap from their plan.
Sir, kaya kasi, anong schedule?
Ang CA ang target namin mga around 11.
So yung session mag-break?
Yes, magbe-break kami. Yes, babalik kami mga around 3 or 4.
There's si Senator Joel pala na po kami sa Cayetano.
Hindi ko muna sasagutin yan.
Pero nagkausap na kayo, sir? Nagkausap kayo ni Sen. Joel?
Hindi pa kami nagkakausap.
Pero yung holding on this promise na ginawa doon sa kanyang video, yung public statement niya na hinatin.
Well, para sa akin, importante na we approve all of these bills. Huwag natin sayangin in special session dahil this is an opportunity sa atin na matapos yung mga nabinbin. So, yeah, that's why importante na yung mga senators natin maka-attend.
So paano kung hindi sila umattend, yung block nila, makakapagpatuloy pa?
Yes, because of the yung Abelino case, may quorum tayo.
And pati sa CA, kahit sa CA.
Yeah, kahit na sa CA. Sa CA naman, kasama natin ni House. Nakausap ko si Speaker this past few days at committed sila to come in. So, full force sila na dadating.
Sir, ba't yung pala dinilig yung social media post nyo tungkol nyo sa 16 to convict sa impeachment?
No, everything is in my website. So, merong, hindi ko alam kung ano yung sa social media. But importante sa website.
So it's still 16,
Yes.
as far as you're concerned?
As far as I'm concerned, it's not as far as I'm concerned. In the Constitution, it's 16.
16 to
Sir,
convict.
2 to 3 weeks
So all of those are in my website.
Sir, 2 to 3 weeks na lang impeachment trial. How are you preparing? How are senators preparing?
Well, yesterday, nag-file na ng pre-trial brief, both sides. And so, ang kakapal na ng pre-trial brief, 60 pages, yung both sides. So we need to review that. This Thursday, mag-umpisa na yung pre-trial conference. So the our impeachment team is preparing for that. But largely administrative to, para lang malaman natin kung ilan yung mga ebidensyang i-represent, ilan yung mga testigong i-represent. Ilalagay na rin doon yung timetable para alam natin gaano kahaba. Yung stipulation of facts kung meron man. So all of those ilalatag na para pagdating sa trial, dire-diretso na
For
tayo.
the record, sir, you will preside the trial o maglalagay kayo ng ibang presiding officer?
Yes, I will preside the trial.
Hindi, wala nang election ng iba pa. Wala nang iba.
Not
Final
Senator
na.
For now,
yun.
for now,
For now.
for
Sir,
now.
kamusta lang yung threat sa Senado, sir?
Okay. Well, yesterday nagkaroon kami ng AFP and PNP and they recommended to us to continue itong heightened security measures. I can't go into the details, no? But kasama ko si Senator Ping, si SP Soto. We met with SP Soto kasi ang chairman ng National Defense Committee. So we met with AFP and PNP para pag-usapan itong threats. Bottom line is they recommend for us to continue to be proactive and continue implement yung heightened security measures natin. Humingi rin kami ng suporta sa kanila sa pagbibigay ng intelligence information dahil sila lang naman may intelligence information network. So, tuloy-tuloy yung pag-collaborate at coordinate namin sa
Nung
kanila.
pumigs sa hearings muna, sir, para walang visitors? Ganun ba?
This week, wala naman nakaschedule na committee hearings.
In the weeks to come, sir.
We'll take it week by week. No? Ginagawa ko every week, nagko-coordinate kami with the agencies. Si General Corpus last week nasa NICA and nasa NBI. So every week gagawin ko, I'll coordinate with this intelligence agency.
And then, sir, magkakaroon ng comprehensive SSI sa buong premises ng Senate?
Yes, this is in preparation for tomorrow's special session and as well as yung security threat na nakukuha natin. So tuloy-tuloy yung aking coordination until malaman natin na wala nang ganitong threat or pwede na natin ma-manage yung mga ganitong
And
threat.
the armed threat remains to be armed group na susugod sa Senado. Remains to be that?
Kasama na rin yun. Kasama na rin.
Sir,
Ang trabaho ko kasi is maging paranoid para maging safe ang mga empleyado, safe kayo lahat. No? So I'm doing this in order to make sure na safe ang mga empleyado natin at premises natin.
So doon sa advisory ninyo,
Yes, continue yung validation ng mga security agencies natin. So cross-reference din natin. That's why humingi ako ng tulong kay Senator Ping dahil obviously may ganyan siyang experience. And we all agreed that let's continue to impose itong heightened security measures.
Sir, may pag-aaral ba yung Senate leadership kung may violation sina Mike Defensor dun sa pagpapatawag pa rin ng
Well,
Blue Ribbon
definitely linoloko niya yung tao. At definitely gumagawa siya ng confusion. No? Dahil dun sa post niya, Blue Ribbon hearing, hindi naman siya chairman, hindi naman siya member, hindi naman siya senador. Bakit niya linlin lang ang tao? So, kausap ko si Senator Erwin ang pinag-aaralin din namin ng legal action dahil linoloko niya ang taong bayan. Hindi tama yan. Dahil pag linoloko niya, ginagamit niya ang titulo ng Senado, hindi tama yun dahil panloloko ang ginagawa.
bakit siya yung nag-a-announce?
Hindi ko rin alam kung bakit. Well, tingin ko, kaya para lokohin ang tao at dahil pag naloko yung tao, tingin nila official yun.
Any communication with Senator Marcoleta and Senator Pia about this Blue Ribbon hearing sa Principal?
Wala pa akong ano. These past few days, I was busy doing all of the security aspects just to make sure na safe in building.
Sir, destabilized ba raw yan? Destabilization related? And may nababanggit baka daw may involved na religious group? May ganun po ba yun?
Based on our communication with AFP and PNP, it's possible na destab related siya. But I won't go into the details. But based on our conversation with them yesterday, possible.